Yo guys, what's up? Today we're back with another madfut video. I know you absolutely loved the last one, so we're making a new one. Today I've been grinding for a lot of my cards. I've been using to get packs for you guys. So today we'll be opening them. If we don't get anything good, then I won't obviously post the video, but this video won't be out unless I get something good. So let's just go right in with a special card. Ooh, Dutch. 90, not bad. De Jong. It's not bad. Oh, this is guaranteed Dutch, I think. Yep. No. Foot birthday card. Right, okay. Portuguese. Oh, got me then. 87, not bad. Could do better. We'll save the icons one later. We'll go for one of these. Team of the week. Oh, I hate team of the weeks. Michael. We'll just open all these first. Walkout. Oh my god. Oh, it's Mane. Okay, that's not bad. What is this? Never seen that. Hold it. Yes. Oh, team of the season. English striker. Oh, come on, man. Guess it wasn't a walkout. Oh. Yes, walkout. There we go. Why do we always get like the most weirdest cards ever? Like I don't even know that team. 88 Priand. Sorry if you can hear something in the background, it's just my lazy dog snoring. Oh, come on, man. Suarez. Team of the week. Ugh. For goodness sake, man. Yes, finally. Oh, I think it's actually just a normal code. Oh, it's an icon. Okay. Portuguese. Eusebio. Wait. Ruby Costa. Okay, that's not bad. That's not bad at all. Alright, last special pack. And it's a team of the week. Oh my god. Okay, that's off of that. I want to save like the really good cards, like this Rainbow Plus, that for later. We'll just go for this. I remember getting him in my ultimate team. We'll take the highest rated. We'll do another special pick. Sandro. We'll do this. Hold. Walkout, let's go. Okay, we got a walkout. Oh, it's another one of these. USA. 87 Adams. Never heard of. Oh yeah, I think I have heard of him actually. Okay, we only have like 4 more left. We'll go for the 30% tots pack. Oh my god. The Russian striker. This better be good, man. Like, I'm trying to make a video here. Walk out. Icon. Italian. Right back. 89 Zambrotta. Oh, come on. I want at least like a 93 plus. Walk out. Here we go. What is it? It's another icon. It's Portuguese. Cam. Oh, is it that guy again? Deco? No, it's Deco. Last card. It can't even be a plus 90. It's 87 to 90 card. Yeah, well, I'll get some more cards for you. This won't be the end of the video. I'll add a bit more on. I'll get some more cards, and this video will not end until I get another card. Until I get a good card. Who is this, an icon? English. Striker. Lineker. Owen. Okay, yeah, we only have these packs left, so I will be getting some more. Don't you worry. But yeah, this is not the end of the video. See you for now. Bye. We're back with the part 2. Well, it'll be in the same video, but part 2 for me. The pack opening. Get right into it. Special pack. Bro. Another one. Oh, you can get 2, I think, of every single one. Walkout. Regular gold. France. Kante. England and Kante. Alright, next one. OP special pack. Hold. Ooh. Ooh, okay. I think that's pretty rare, you know. I'm not sure though. 5% team of the year pack. And I got this USA one again. If it's Adams again. Don't know what to say name on this. Ooh. No. Never mind. Regret St. Who. Double special pack. Ooh, team of the season. Portuguese. Oh yeah, it's going to be terrible because it's no walkout. E5 plus special. Here we go. What have we got? Okay, I think these are decent, you know. Denmark. What is that? Right mid. 92. Not bad. Not bad, Larson. So these are like the orange ones, yep. But who else have we got? Silver. Triple special pack. Team of the week. I hate them so much. I hate them. Dele Alli is going down so much. 5% team of the season or team of the year. I think it's team of the season. I think it's just original goal. Yeah, it is. Oh my god, we're getting so unlucky. French. Another Kante. Okay. Okay, we'll do another one of these. Oh, what's this? Icon. Okay, English. Centre mid. Beckham. Lampard. Oh god, sorry. Why would he get? I'm just gonna open it even though I hate them so much. Okay, if you gave me like some of these cards, I wouldn't be that bothered. Alright, I'll always do probably one of the best ones. The next, the 100% random picks. Yes, get in there. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, it's Keylor Navas. That's pretty good actually. 89 Navas. Oh, I don't have any more. No. Icons pick. Who do we get? I've got a rush, but I got one with the mustache, so. Do you do for the English boys? Well, I am an English boy. There we go. I think we still got more in some here. Should we do it or should we wait until I get more? Oh, I don't know what to do. We'll wait. Right, see you for part 3. Right, I've got some more again, obviously, for you guys. So let's go for the first one, which is a special pack. I might just end this video right here, you know. I hate these. Oh, okay. Sorry if you can hear background feedback or something. Oh, it's a Smalling. Let's go. That's pretty good. Pretty decent. I see him on a lot of drafts. I never pick him though because he's hard to link up. Whoa, what the? Come on, man. What is that? Oh, yeah. Oh my god, these are horrific. Here we go. Oh my god, it's snowing cold. Oh my god. Brazilian Casemiro. Yeah. Team of the wheel. Oh my god. Alright, let's go with this. Carvajal. Sterling. We'll go with Sterling. Davala. Powell. Next. Gerard. Okay, we'll take that. Whatever this is. Oh yeah, it's these, aren't it? It's pretty cool actually. And now it's this, so I'm gonna go with the premium icons pick. Maldini, Scholes. He's not new, so I'll take Scholes for the England lads. Get in it. Carlos. These two. I'll take Puyol. Icons card, 87 to 90. English. Striker, Owen, probably. Right, okay. Okay, now for the big ones, the big boys. Who's this? Can't be Chiellini. 95. Ooh, that's good. Let's go. Alright, and final one of the... Well, not the video. Yeah, I think I should call this a video, actually. Been pretty good. Okay, let's see what we get. Oh, I think it's that 93 guy, isn't it? That's not that bad, actually. 94? Oh, yes, let's go. Okay, I'm going to call that video. See you in another one. Peace out.